Hello and welcome to VOiD1 Gaming YouTube channel. If you ever wanted to make awesome games but didn't know how to start, we are here to help with all your needs. So we are going to cover the graphical side of game development, ranging from in-depth tutorials for software like Blender, ZBrush, Adobe Creative Cloud and Adobe Substance Suite to more industry standard workflows and methods, as well as the programming side of game development with game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine to make your game come to life. Now, after years on the game development scene, making awesome games, informative blogs, game assets, written tutorials and many more such content, we are finally on YouTube to provide you all the knowledge and experience we gained in a more user-friendly format of video tutorials. This will help you to achieve your game development goals in a faster and more efficient way. So we look forward seeing you in our videos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss out on any upcoming video. Moreover, you can leave your valuable comments and suggest the various aspects of game development you'd like us to cover. Thanks for your time and see you in the next one.